Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Just got done installing a Maxx Air Maxx fan by Airxcel for a customer. So this one is wall mounted, so it's pretty easy. Just want to open the vent, push the button once. It starts opening up. This one has a rain sensor on it too, so if rain starts getting on the top of it, it will automatically close. So I'm gonna come over here, back to the wall mount, and you can just select what you want. Fan 1, 2, 3, or 4. We're gonna 2, 3, 4. Go over here. Looks like I went too far. I put it back on. One more. Okay, there's the highest fan. So it pulls air pretty good. So I mean, you know, exchanges air in the RV pretty good as well. So I'm pretty impressed with it. I don't know. It's got this nice little mounted control. If you want to turn the fan off, leave the vent open. Just turn the fan off. Let it close all the way. Once it's done closing, push the up button again. And it'll open with the fan off. These are 12 volt operated. So a lot of Grand Design RVs have these already in them. So all we did is swap one out for this customer. And it got damaged during a tree storm. So, but I do like these. Another option you guys can get out there is the Dometic version. And they actually bought Atwood. So Atwood bought Fantastic Fan, then Dometic bought Atwood. So now the Fantastic Fans are not they're still calling them Atwood fans, but eventually we're going to start seeing them that are Dometic fans. So that being said, that's quite a few name changes, but we'll post links to both down below in the description for anybody that's interested in these products, or if you're local to me and you need to get one installed, you can give us a call. Until next time, be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and safe travels out there, and we'll see you in the next DIY RV repair video. Thank you again for all my loyal subscribers for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. I know my video quality is not the very tippy top, but the goal of my whole channel is to just help you guys better understand RVs and how to do some of the stuff yourself and save you some money. And just wanted to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for everybody that subscribed. Until next time, safe travels.